luck to you, so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time that we get by with money we don't know. Pockets empty, but ours are full anyway. Hey.
Hi guys! So, andito kami ngayon sa Walmart with Kelsey. She has lots of money today. Let me see your face. And the baby. And the baby. Hi baby! Hindi siya matulog doon. Sa kanya. Hindi ko na siya ginamit sa mukha sa number sa tao ganyan. So mag-shopping me dito sa Walmart. Magpalit kami ang tsinelas. Gusto ka mo, Kogos? Okay ba? Hi, Bobby.
I'm sorry.
Hi, Bobby. Hi. Hi, Kelsey. You wanna be a big sister today?
I don't know.
Here. Here, madam. Uy, Dam, pwede mo na akong kuguson siya. Kuguson na lang ako na siya. Di ba, Kelsey? Kuguson na ako si baby.
What?
I will carry baby ba?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I don't know. Yeah.
Right? Just pretend that's your brother. Right? Asa man ang chinilasan ay tora dito. Clearance. Clearance ra mo ang ma-afford diri no kay wa man gud mi kwarta.
Dili ko dam ha.
Tara oh. Kani Dam oh, ako'y palit be. Dam, this is good.
Ay, sandal ra. Uy.
Oh, sandal na.
Kanang
That one.
pang na ba? Panlakaw lang. Ay, pang...
This is really cute. I love it. Igo man niya no. Sa itry daw.
Ko kain.
Uy, palitin na lang. Ako yung mapalitan na. Sa din na siya in the near future.
In the near future, nga daghan kayo
Ah, daghan siya?
dito sa...
Ang kay kuya no. Kaya na lang. Hi baby. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Sige. Pamili daw ang sipalit gusto niyo mo. 5.
Oh, pangita po color ano eh.
Sige lang. Good.
Pili na ni.
Kaya basta di mapalit ang TV dress killing. Diba? Hindi ko mapalit kasi palito niya.
Kung unsay mahawiran sa kong kamot.
Sana all. Deportahan lagi na siya ay.
Kwartahan.
May bagay sa ako dang oy?
Tanan, bagay sa imo.
Chinilas? Or ka ng mga yung ani? Ano lang palito na? Ilang balance ka na? Yung ani ang duha ka anak. Yung ani ang duha ka anak. Diba? May gani ka na ako yung ani o dalaga. Atiman. Or kaning ani na lang, Dam. Dam, kaning anang. What do you think? 25 bucks man siya. Uy,
Panawa lagi. Kano sa magita mo abot sa punto nga dili na ta mo matanaw presyo no?
Size 9.
Tsadahan
Asa?
ko ani. Tsada ni.
Careful, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Careful. Nanggunit ko siya kasi. Bobby! Hi, Bobby! Bukat pa yun na siya lang. Sure ka? Abi na, Bi. Nagana siya sa imo lang. Size 10, dako ra kay siya, so I need size 9. Size 9. Kaita ni wa tay kwarta, oy may paning isa diri ah.
Wala.
Size 9? Oh yeah, pila man siya. Kay pila. Oh.
Ha.
Achi? Achi? Mami. Ay, maulo na lagi na siya. Uy. Kelsey, what should I buy? That's $50. Oh my god, that's a lot of money. Kelsey, I need size 9, please. Help. Size 9. Kani. No? Unsa man dayo bang? Mahal man gud daw tag 19. Ano man oy, wa jud ko ka decide ing ani na lang unsa ba ing ani? Unsa ing ani? Ing ani. Wait, help me bake. We're running out of time. This one? Kaya na lang? Hindi kanina lang no. Size 9. Pwede man siguro size 10 Kelsey.
Grabe ginaiyahan ka colorful yun eh.
Wala may. Oh, di colorful kayo. Asa man? Uy, wala man uy. Size. Dako ba akong tiil no. Tama na na.
Muna nakapait sa dako.
Kaya na lang. Okay, perfect. Asa di ka mangitag siya di ay sa kids? Wala gina, wait lang. Kasi tapad mo ni ate, ni tita. Nada mo, igsuon mo daw.
Oh, igsuon ako na sa dami soon. Ikaw ako, mama.
Oh, mga anak ka tulog.
Maasa ta? Mami.
Ay, Diyos ka.
Asa ta, mami?
Uy, laodag yung mga sale, oh. Kani yung clearance. Tag 5, I told you na, tag 5. Awa, di, lagi mo magkuha na, lagi tag 5 lagi.
Oh, yan, kay masigo na sa musiin.
Gani, no. Ay, tag 5, tag pila man eh.
Tag.
Tag 5, wala, Kelsey, bagay ni sa'yo mo, Kelsey, Os.
Tag pila din? Tag 5?
Kung dili tag 5, di ko mapalit. Let's go. Yung tatag ka lang, tag 5 lagi ba kay 5 ra ba ako ang budget noon sa na siya. I told you, ngita tag 5 lang na Canada Day. Damo ba ibalik ko na to ang Canada Day.
Hindi ra kay ka die hard no.
Sino good? Hello Canada Day. And $15. Asa ba ang damit? Ha? Mahal to pila? $14? Wala tayo tag 5. Tali-taliw. Naligtan ako. Ay, dami butang si Kelly. Ikaw rin, tig-bigi sa mo. Ako sayawag kasi. Sayaw na ko. Kasi ito kasi. Kasi itong kung sayo sa ula gani daw. Uy, tayo ko na nagikuha na. So we are here. Nagpalit lang mig tsinelas but ended up sukod-sukod sa tanang naadiri. So manlakaw na mi kay murag magdugay mi diri pa dito na mo ning whole store ni Miranda, no? So manguli nami. Okay. Hold it. Drop some money. Some money.
Come here. Okay. Pagkunan. Dam. Wala kay para saksakan charger.
Isa nga pa nila.
Kani man ako. Dam.
Napalihat ta?
Nganing man lang.
Napalihat siya dito. Ay, dala ko.
Aman. Isa man na itansa.
Kasi which lake would you like to go?
The one that has a park.
Oh, York Lake. Mag-order sa tag food. Do you want to? Gusto.
Ikaw, masagasa.
Chester?
Pwede ra gyapon.
So, mga si Madam. Yan, natulog ni si baby. Do you like it?
Right?
Huh?
I got a lot of food, right?
Dili ka mukaon.
Share man mi, kadi man ang mahurot.
Lamit lagi gini ah.
Kelsey, let me know if you're done, huh?
Okay, here you go.
You're done already? Awa mo na kung ginaingon mo. Magpalit-palit kag duha ka.
No.
Mama na siya.
Ka-cute sa iyang ginanan, oy.
Mo na tanaw ra ko nang lawas na dam.
Kailan lo man. Ang pinaka-hate gid ako nga halo-halo bitaw kay ang sa chowking yun.
Ano man kadaghan kayo?
Ice mo yung gadaghan.
Tinuod bitaw.
Ko. Sa pangitan mo.
Cellphone.
Tura man gud mo.
Ako sam ko ano na ko ang
Banana. Okay go. Oh, tanaw nanawag na.
manawag na?
Oh.
Nanawag siya?
Oh, nanawag siya.
I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time that we get by with money we don't know. Pockets empty but hearts are full anyway. Hey. Playing like children and love like
Ang kaning top.
Can you just around the spinny thing?
Yeah, but be careful though. Tarong nga gunit. Okay, let's go. Come on, baby. Dali, come on. Come on. Come on. Dali, faster. Come on. Come on. Asa imong gusto?
Push me.
Push you.
Really, really fast.
I can't. Here.
I'll give you.
Ala, nara ko agikawat ako ang kuan. Gusto kawaton na itong gamit dito daw. Bantayin sa nako. Dali! Dali ba? Come to mommy. Selos ka, Kelsey. Remember last time laka-laka ta dira ah? Ali, kaluoy. Magpatabang siya. Dali, baby, dali.
Jejeb.
Ka-cute eh. Hi guys, so naami diri sa dako kay nga property ni Madam.
Yes, welcome to my property.
So she owns this place. Nakisuyo lang ko nga mo anhi diri because coming with the drinks and maora niya ang pinakaduol nga lake sa moang lugar, so that's why we are here. Kay busy man mi sa work. This is the only time that we get together with this beautiful lady, my daughter. My second one is right there climbing. Come on, Kelsey.
Did you see like that on the monkey bar?
Yeah, you look like a monkey.
Yeah, so can you come?
What?
Can you come?
Oh, look at the sky. It's so pretty. My God, pwede maulaw. Panindot kayo maging ani no once in a while baka kanang mingaw nga kanang gusto ka nga ikaw ra nang manhira ka diri kanang away from people and everything, away from stress. So now guys, mga unta nag-order me og chicken. Our chicken is made of chicken. Buta lang na diri dam na may basurahan. Na may basurahan, ha?
Dam ta ba?
Ay isa. Nagpatabang siya ay sa atong kuanan kay dili na maglisod na siya. Oh guys, maglisod na siya og bangon no sa atong tabangan siya no. Ay sa atong ibutang diri. Tabangan na to. Sige dali kay tabangan na to. Sige. Naog ra mahulog gani ka. No. Siya po daw. Makatawa ko ni Bobby kay siya po daw dam. Ano po siya? Yes, Kelsey. Ngayag tabang ka. So, siguro ka naog. Sa tabangan na to siya. Help me. Gusto na akong buhaton. It's my bestie. Hi, bestie. Hi, Sisi. Hi, Sisi. This is my sister. Oh, I forgot they are my kids. They are my kids. Kasi kailan pa mong baso. Wam na baso di ay.
That one's empty.
I know. Sili man si baby oy.
Oh, like the ones his mom gave him, he drank it all.
Ako magud ni.
That's enough.
Kasi you look like a big sister.
Please.
Say hi baby. Say. Kasi let's pretend this is your younger brother.
Hi, baby.
Magselos ka, Kels?
Nope.
Di ka magselos? Ayan, so nagpalit pag water si Madam. We are here in York Lake with man jud nga nung dira man jud. So ayan, dira rami guys, magkaon-kaon. Ayan. This is our favorite York Lake kasi it's closer to our place, right? Dira. Dam kani akong dira dam. May pa ni si baby, wala problema lang. No, sige yaw-yaw no.
There's a duck.
Where's the duck? Oh, food. A duck.
This is mommy and her friend. This is mommy and her friend. And also her kids. So yeah. I'm gonna get ready to sit down.
Gansa.
Goose magunagang sa good.
Gansa, goose. Mo ba nang sa balay?
Oh, pero makakain mo ano?
Oh. Patutin.
Oh, yeah.
She's not that naughty like something.
You can still hear me? It's fine. You don't want to hear me?
No, I can hear you laugh. Like it's really, really loud.
I'll just go laugh like that. Huh?
No, you can do whatever you want.
Okay, go. Pagdula dito. And this is Kanchan. Kanchan is my coworker. She's the manager sa bank. If you wanna go to RBC, she managed the RBC in York. Ask me, do I like my job? Pero back then, remember that Kanchan when I was like managing? Oh my God.
But you are still managing good.
Oh, there you go
I
again.
know, right? She's a good manager.
There we go again. I don't want to manage no more because it's too stressful. It's like babysitting an adult. I got lots of kids.
They're they're saying that great power comes with great responsibilities.
Yeah. So our swimming suit is ready. Ayan. Kanchan is going to wear right away. She's going to.
You know how to the license you have now.
Uh-huh.
That's enough.
Must be nice to have lots of money. You can buy whatever you want. Oh well. Pwede man mangutang. Wow, that's awesome. Kelsey, let's go there, Kelsey. Okay, let's go.
When you look at from KGG,
Mhm.
that kind of boat is like 14,000.
14?
Second hand.
Second hand? Oh boy. Kanchan, wait for me. Wait for me, Kanchan. Okay, go with her, Kelsey. Drop some money. TikTok pa more. Oh, that's cute in there. Let's do TikTok here. Oh, look at that boat. Dami palang boat dito, oh. Ali, dire.
I like to sit there alone.
I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time that we get by with money we don't know. Pockets empty, but hearts are full anyway. Hey. Playing like children and love like car and J. You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to your old life, turn the page, fall on my bed. I don't care if loving you over my. You talk to me like breeze, running free, beautiful images everywhere. Yeah. You take a picture of us kissing in cars. It makes my day 10 times better. Yeah.
Okay. Kanchan, you're good at English. You're the manager of the bank.
I'm not.
She owns lots of business in
No,
in York.
She's lying.
She still wants to be a baby.
Yeah, guys, mommy's giving me a piggyback ride.
I'm tired. How about I will
No,
ask a boy there to play with you?
no. You know my hands are dirty. Or diving off dock. Oh, jumping or diving off dock.
I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time
What do you mean?
that we get by with money.
I'm not gonna follow you all the way home.
Pockets empty, but hearts are full anyway. Hey.
Watch out for the car.
Playing like children, and love like car and J. You were you're too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always
Careful.
loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to your old life, turn the page, fall on my bed. I don't care if loving you.
I'm your girlfriend! I'm your girlfriend! Why don't you like me? Why don't you like me? Kiss mo sa ako. Kiss. Oh, kiss. This is your baby, right, Kosi?
Yeah.
He kissed me. Ikaw. Kiss. No! Don't you like me? So this is Kelsey's baby. Oh. So we're going na. Ayan. Let's open them.